So now let's start with stats. So you guys must know a lot of things here. Out of all these terms, what are you guys familiar with? I guess these three you know. So okay, so I'll just quickly explain. Mean is just average value. Okay, so if let's take a series and we'll calculate everything like these first values. Okay, these values are for a single variable, like for a single column. Okay, but these two variables we calculate for two columns, x and y. Okay, it's a covariance correlation. So if I talk about the first one, so let's take numbers from 0 to 100, like 0 1 2 till चलो 100 ले लेते हैं. ठीक है. So these are the values we have. What is the mean value? Mean value will be sum of all the numbers divided by total number of values, right? So it will be n into n plus 1 by 2. This is the sum from 0 to 100, and we have to divide by number of values. So it's 101. So average should be 50. Yes?
Yes.
So this will be the average mean value. What will be the median? Huh?
49. Middle value is the median.
Yes, so which will be the middle value here? How many values are there in total? 101?
Including 101. Including 0, 101.
Yes, yes. In the series. So in the series, it's 101. Na? What is the middle value in 101 number?
50.
50 first value.
51.
50 first value. Before this, there are 50 numbers. Before this, there are 50 numbers after this. Yes, so this is the middle value. Getting it?
Yes.
So if I take this series, 50 first value is 50. So this is the median. Now, mode is not defined for this one. Okay, so now one quick question, guys. Series is what is the median value here?
Ten will be the median by sorting into ascending.
Very good. So this step is important. You have to sort the what is the mean value in this? Do you guys know how to calculate if we have two middle values? Like these are even numbers, 6 values. So how will calculate median?
And the center two values divided by 2. That's it.
Yes, that's correct. Like before I made you calculate 2 times. So what is this 1000? This 1000 is called outlier. Okay, this is a very large value as compared to other values. This is outlier. And how does this outlier affect median and mean? So median didn't change much. 10 to 10.5. Median is stable. But mean 9 to 174.16. Getting it? So mean values are affected by outliers. Is this observation clear, guys? Is this it's a very simple and a lot of it's used a lot while data cleaning. So when we fill the missing values, right? So we try to think of a solution while filling missing values of a column. If we are not able to find something and there are very few missing values, we try to fill it with either mean or median. How do we choose? We'll fill it with mean or we'll fill it with median. So if the data is stable, if the data is symmetrical, we go with mean value. If the data is very much skewed, so what is the mode value here? So mode value is applicable when the column is categorical. Categorical in the sense we have discrete values.
R.
R, na?
Yes.
Everyone is able to get this? Why it's R?
Because more repetitive.
Yes, most frequent value. Mode is most frequent value. So if you will try to draw the bar chart for this, so it will be like red, blue, green. Red is 4 times, blue and green are 3 times. Okay, so you'll see that this is the highest frequency thing. Okay, so that's why answer is red. Is this clear? Now coming to percentiles and box plot. So the reason IITs brag about their placement, okay, average package 30 lakhs. How is that possible? Average package 30 lakhs for freshers. So it's because of this guy. There is always a guy who gets placed in a US company. Okay, and they even don't consider the market rates, that US living standards are higher. So 1 crore package in India is normal for US. Okay, it's like normal package there. Okay, but they consider it in Indian terms. Okay, so whenever you see stats and you get, oh, you are an IITian, you must be having a high package. That's true, but not too much. Like, are you guys understanding the point? It's because of this guy, everything is hyped. The placements, the uh, like, and due to this, the students get pressurized there. Okay, like people expects a lot from them. I hope you guys are getting my point about outliers. So, what's the correct statistics to show if you are describing a college placement?
The number of students who got placed and the average of their package.
Yes, the average of their package will be more. Like number of students is fine. So
More
let's not go with number. Let's say percentage of students.
The percentage of students.
Percentage of students placed. What else? Then we need to show. So let's say 80% got placed. Now for these 80%, we will show key minimum package, 25 percentile, 50 percentile, 75 percentile, and maximum package. And then we will show mean. So if you are showing this, then you have to back your data, back your stats with these values also, so that people get to know the entire distribution. Okay, so it's like your graph is like this, and you are telling me this value. How is this a good stat? Okay, you are misleading people. Okay, so coming back to the point, what are percentiles now? How to get these values? So anyone like has tried to give gate or cat, sorry, cat. अच्छा, किसी और ने पहचान वाले ने रिजल्ट्स सुने, गैट के रिजल्ट्स कैसे आते हैं?
Yes, it's 99.6 percentile and that's it.
So what does that mean? मतलब उन्होंने पेपर में इतना स्कोर किया है, 100 में से 99.6
No,
स्कोर
he
किया?
is ahead of that much people.
Yes, that's correct. So percentile simply means percentage of people you have defeated. Okay, like percentage of people you are ahead of. That's what percentile is. Okay, so same case with JE. Like, so even if you score 33% in the paper, like 33% in the actual paper, so if paper is of 720 marks and you score 1/3 marks of this, your percentile will be greater than 99. Getting it? So it's about that. So these things people need to hear before getting into the exam. Like, how difficult is it to get into this? How difficult is to crack JE? So people just hear that, oh my God, we have to be in top 1%. We have to defeat 99.9% people to get into IITs. But the truth is, from the actual paper, you just need to get 1/3 marks. 1/3. That's all you need. Okay. So from the childhood, we are relying on false metrics, false statistics. Okay. So this is percentiles, guys. And now I'll give the real example of. So let's take the same series. So we have numbers till 1 to 100. If I take this value 100, how many values are there like before this?
0 to 99, right?
Yeah, number of values are 100. Okay. And total number of values. So before this is 100 only. I'm giving a rough formula of how to calculate a percentile. Okay. There's an actual formula. It's a simple, not difficult. Something like this only. So percentile formula is it's n less. N less means how many values are less than this value. Okay. Plus 1 by 2 into n equals. Matlab how many values are equal to this value for which we are calculating the percentile divided by total number of values. So if I want to calculate for 100, what will be the percentile? What is n less in this case?
100
Yes.
plus 1 by 2 into 1. So 1 by 2
1 by 2
by
divided by
101
101 into 100.
and 100.
Okay. So it will be almost equal to 100, like 99.99 something. Okay. So this is the percentile for the topper guy. Okay. First guy here. So if there are a lot more values, let's say 10,000 numbers are there. So it will be exactly 100, something like that. Okay. Very close to 100. Okay. Calculate for 50, for value equal to 50. It's a simple calculation.
It's,
N less
14, 50, 0 to 50 to 50 plus 25. Okay, 1 by 2
25.
into 1 by 2 into 1. Sorry, 1 by 2 into 1 divided by 51. In total, so 100 up to 100, 100 minus.
So it will be exactly 50 or into 100, of course. Is this clear?